Today we're going to make an easy chicken and broccoli dinner. This recipe is made in the crock pot. It's part of our Teaching My Kids How to Cook This Summer series.
So I started by putting a can of cheddar soup and mixing it with a can of cream of chicken soup. And then after that I poured in 1 can of water. Then afterwards I stirred it together. Then I added half a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning and mixed it in. Then 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic salt and mixed it in again. And finally I put in a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. After that, I put in 7 or 8 chicken tenders to the pot.
You can use frozen or fresh chicken tenders.
Afterwards, you're just going to cover it and cook it either on low for 6 hours or high for 3 hours. While it was cooking, I started to prepare my broccoli. I cut up about 6 cups of about bite-sized pieces. After it's all cut up, put it in the fridge. We will cook it later. When the chicken is nearly done cooking, put 2 cups of rice and 3 cups of water into an instant pot.
Cover the Instant Pot. Turn it on the rice setting for 8 minutes.
Shred the chicken. Then add 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese and 1 cup of sour cream. Then stir it all together and let it sit until the cheese is melted. Put your broccoli into a boiling pot of water and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Then strain it. Then stir it into the chicken mixture.
Serve chicken mixture over rice. This is one of our family's favorite meals. For recipe and printed instructions, visit adventuresofadiymom.com. Hit subscribe to follow along as my kids learn to cook this summer.